Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning about the present simple tense. This tense is very easy and is used in our daily life conversation. By the end of this video, you will learn what is the present simple tense, how to make sentence in present simple, some common mistake to avoid. Stay with me till the end and let's begin. Simple present tense is used for daily routines and habits, general truth and facts, fixed schedules. Let's see some examples. First one is I wake up at 7 am every day. It your habit and daily routine also. The sun rise in the east. It is your general truth. And next, the train leaves at 6 pm. It's your fixed schedule. Simple, right? Let's learn how to make sentences. First one is affirmative sentences and it's positive sentences also. Structure of these sentences is subject plus V1 base form or V1 plus S and ES. We use S and ES for he, she, it plus object. Important rule for you. When we talk about he, she, it, then we add S or ES to the verb. For example, I play football and she plays tennis. Here we use she. That's the reason we add S in verb play. Negative sentences. Structure of these sentences is subject plus do, does, not plus V1 plus object. Important rule for you. Use do not for I, you, we, they. Use does not for he, she, it. Example, I do not. You can write like this, don't. Coffee. I don't like coffee. You can say like this. He does not. You can say like he doesn't eat milk. Because we know that in he, she, it with any singular person we use does. Next third one is interrogative sentences. It's a question sentences also. First of all we use do, does plus subject V1 plus object. Important rule of this sentence is if the subject is he, she or it, use does. If the subject is I, you, we, they, use do. Examples. Do you like ice cream? Does she go to school? So, do and does. When we use do and does, you know that in a singular person we use does. For plural, we use do. Let's look at some common mistakes that learners make. First one is she go to school every day. We use she goes to school every day. Here we use es because go and with the vowel sound, that's the reason we use es. We know that in a singular person we use s and es. If your sentence and with the vowel, then you use es and other ones you use s. So correct version of this, she goes to school every day. Second one is he don't like coffee. The correct one is he doesn't like coffee because we know that in a singular person we use does not. Third one is does she likes pizza? We use does she like pizza, not likes. We use like because we already add es in a do na. Then we don't need to use s in a like. So the correct version is does she like pizza? Fourth one is they does their homework at night. Correct is they do their homework at night because they is a plural. That's the reason we use do. In a singular form we use does. Fifth one is I doesn't play football. Correct version of this one is I don't play football because we know that with I subject we use don't. Remember these small rules to avoid mistakes. With the subject of she, he, it and in a singular person we use does. And other ones I, they, you, plural ones we use don't. Now it's time for you to practice. Fill in the blanks in the comment. Vex. 2 number is don't go. Third one is does like. Fourth one is watches. Fifth one is do not eat. So, how many questions did you answer correctly? Comment your score below. If you got all correct, you are amazing. If not, don't worry, keep practicing. Okay, now that's all for today's lesson on present simple tense. If you learned something new, like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. If you want to learn the present continuous tense next, then let me know in comment. See you in the next morning. Till then, bye.